They laughed at me back then, but look how the tables turn.
So we're waiting for market open here. It opens in 2 minutes now. We have potential structure here.
Look at the plaques. I should stream my life
We
like
can
that,
move
boy, man.
out.
I'm from the block though, just like you. They hear me, not as fact. She caught me out, I don't know how. I told her, babe, relax. Man, them know any problem can be solved with a little bit of cash. Put your hand in the air if
You would need
ain't
like
broke in a minute.
valid push
Your hand
lower.
in the air if you're trying to repent for sinning. Oh yeah, losing sleep just so I can keep on winning. Stat will smell like Stewie, now my stat like Peter Griffin. Put your hand in the air if you ain't been broke in a minute. Now keep your hand in the air if you're trying to repent for sinning. Oh yeah, losing sleep just so I can keep on winning. Stat will smell like Stewie, now my stat like Peter Griffin.
We have this gap that's pretty relative between both assets. It's honestly like small. It's hard to say whether we push into it or not. Regardless if we did, I don't. Alright, I guess we did like at 920, which is pre-market, but like we can't take that like to these lows. So that may just be that one play for today. Like to these lows right here, that plays out. I mean, we can see. I mean, after that plays out, you know, we already know that we see a retracement at to our like highs up here. We typically see a retracement of the exact play that we had when we're looking for our model. So right after it just comes off full reversal. So we can potentially catch that. Market opened lower. Success is what they want, but don't even know what it takes. I got real life problems, bro. Step in my shoes, you'll probably faint. May not see a play here today if we can't catch the move higher. I think we're gonna catch it. We're gonna push higher. Just about how though. Like how are we just gonna rep higher, or are we gonna actually like form structure prior to that? Even better yet, could this be structure? Alright, what we saying? Talking back in the day, sat there thinking how to get paid. Sat there thinking 8 even 8. We broke up and it made me change. 125, I'm switching lanes. Stolen car, I'll take the chase. Buy them flats, I miss them days. Potentially. See no more in the band, or shot to check the door. Feel like feds were plotting on bro on the road. It feels like time goes slow. Burn that shit when I'm feeling low. At this point of potential change in state here. Stuff has so many bugs. Ripping lower. Alright, 6'8", 6853. Potential retracement point. 6853. There was no retracement to 6853 on ES. Finally gap. 6851 retracement. 6851.
Oh my god, stop the music.
Hey, yo, D&D got a move in my drip, splash. Turn around, make it sweet, teasing me.
Just to confirm on NQ. Yeah. gap here at 24.84.2.
Feel neglect, need some head, demon time, wanna receive. Why would I waste my time and chase? Wait my turn, it'll come to me. So focused on beef, donut ain't even got no P. Yo, sec, I'm moving loose. All these daughters scaring me. Ain't just me, need TLC. Unfortunately, ain't honest to me. A million
We're disrespecting this gap kind of crazy. Check out these lows here.
Got feds on me. Don't be dumb, I fled the scene. Better than who? What do you mean? Sipping rum right now, I'm burst. Way too lost. Go to church. Way too lang.
Yeah.
Should know me, I don't check no tag. Should know me, I don't even brag. Don't even bust that joke.
We could be going towards this low. Another dump day.
I'm out of bread, I made off this. Rest in peace to Queen of Liz. That man hating, ain't on shit. Paid in full, no 50 split.
There's no type retracement though, no type anything. You have this 1 minute here. What, like, are we really trying to take a play off of 1 minute?
Some say I'm a different gravy. Say I'm a cheeky guy. I feel like everyone's watching me. Barely catch me on IG live. Got a move sharp, Rambo knife. Tryna flex on social media. Ain't got that shit in real life. Living a lie, should get fined.
This could very much just be a wick into this hourly gap, into this hourly SMT.
Meet me at the terminal. D&D got a moving mad. Drip, drip, splash. Turn around, make it clap. Sweet, sweet. Teasing me, sad. Cover that fee for you. Pardon me. G, I ain't your dad. G, I ain't your dad.
Oh my god, stop the music.
Hey, where's Rolo?
Just took out these lows. Tapped upon a 4-hour order block now. And a 1 hour order block. Seeing retracement from that. Rejection.
Disorientated, should've just rested. Called your phone when I should've just texted. Lockdown, should've just Tetris. Retail therapy, should've invested. Diamonds dance, they should've been tested. Follow his eyes, you can see the intention. Tension, the G-Tech slide with a Jensen. Gated chest with aluminum fencing.
Yeah, looks like we're just pushing lower today, guys. I don't think we're gonna have a play today. 2 minute, we have potential. Was here. Highs. We can just mark out. There's tanking. Kind of what we expected, honestly. Just a tank. Okay, with that break. Can still be a wick here. This SMT. As you see, we definitely disrespected these lows. So I don't know if we're gonna form a 4-hour SMT anymore. Could have a lower low here. This could be big too. A lower low, higher low here if we don't want to take out this low on the NASDAQ. We have 4-hour order block that we can definitely retrace to. Push higher off of that. Just all depends on whether we have the structure to do so.
FaceTime me when you're alone. Everyone put that shit on my tab. I've been swerving multiple gal lately cause I got paper plans. Swear that I done lost count. Think that I bought her too much bags. Aye, can't even chat on me. I spend more bread on her than you make. Face is 10, but I'm pre in the cake. Aye, if I hit that one, she be moving mad.
Seen that push higher now.
I'm trying to take some trips.
You actually have potential displacement here on ES. So tight. 5 minute though. Took out that high. A valid displacement. Might have a push higher here.
I have a surprise for you tonight. See, you deserve my surprise.
Alright.
Okay, I'll see you then, babe.
Look for a buy position.
Order filled.
Jeez.
Order filled.
That's our day. Honestly, bro, that's tragic. Yo. That's weird, bro. What are these? Give it one last chance to see retracement into. And we've seen retracement into this gap. It's so hard to see the gaps here. Yeah. That might be it. That might be it, guys. Holy wickage. What happens when you're training precision? Let's see if we have one last retracement into here. We're looking for that retracement on ES to confirm it. And we have this SMT to test and these highs to take out. Bro, I might like honestly. Guys. It's getting wicked out, bro. Wicked out. We had our retracement on NQ. Nothing in sight on ES. Per usual, ES just being the annoying one. I mean, bro, nothing much to like really say. I mean, like honestly, we could still have potential entry if we were to form an SMT or not SMT, but have a retracement. But if there's nothing, we can't. We had literally nothing. I like this rejection lower. If we can see something out of here, that would be ideal. 5-minute gap here. Looks like it's just small rejection. I don't think we're gonna have a full retracement though.
I'm taking risks, getting my paper right. Karma might get them, they gotta pay the price. I'm feeling low, it could be worse. All of my VV shine. I've been up and down, they gotta feel me now. Price went up and they hear me now. Back then they wouldn't hear me out. Absent, I gotta make it count. out my main 110 and I say that loud. Back, you're talking hot. I told bro take that down. I feel like Trent, right back talk of the town. I missed that cool, it weren't about bread. Heard I'm acting different. Got no time, she thinks it's lies. She wanna act too distant.
Can't force anything, boys. We already know where we're gonna go, but just unfortunate day. We knew exactly where it was gonna go. Can't enter unless we were to have a retracement all the way. I mean, you have this right here.
I don't wanna link my G. Yo, I'm taking risks, getting my paper right. Karma might get them, they gotta pay the price. I'm feeling low.
Please and Q, I need this. I need this and Q. Might be it. And I'm not taking anything after we take these draws out. Jeez, bro. Might turn off that auto liquidation because that's annoying. Bro, you're trolling me. Yeah, we just took out these highs. That's our day. That's our day. Oh, take it. We'll take it. I mean, I hope we all caught that. I hope you did. I mean, it called it out for everyone. Yeah, I'll check DMs. We'll take it though. You know, horrible. Wicked out. And slap TP. I mean, this was our entry. We can even go down to the freaking 5 seconds to see exactly when we entered. Yeah. That's the cost, bro. Jeez. That's annoying. If you took that, let me know. Gosh. But everything is our fault. We gotta always remember that. All we can do is journal and get better. I mean, the auto liquidation thing kind of messed us up because it immediately put on a setting where it immediately just puts the stop loss at 500 for risk management purposes. But that did not help us today. Actually, did not help us at all. Which is unfortunate because we knew exactly what was happening. I told you guys at the start of market open, we were going to push lower, right? We're going to push lower to take out these lows, see if we're going to respect this SMT. Most likely just wick this SMT, which we did. You know, once I post a recap, you can play it back, see everything I said. I said we were going to catch the reversal from the move lower and push higher to retest this SMT. That's how we use SMTs. We respect one, target the other. So can't really say too much about today other than it's kind of shitty. If we were to, I mean, we have this high up here, depending on how macro opens. We have this gap here. If we were to close higher, could see mitigation into this gap. But we would need to see a closure because we didn't exactly have change in state here on NQ. So if we were to push higher, have a retracement into this 5 minute, that could be a potential move. We did have it on ES though. ES has this high as well. We could very well form an SMT. There's no gaps at all as well coming up to this. We have a daily gap that we could definitely retrace towards or push towards. That daily gap's right here. So hopefully we close this 5 minute before we tap upon this daily gap. If we could see some chop around here in this range before we tap upon this daily gap, that would be very ideal. As well as this daily gap is here on ES as well, but that would mean we have to close higher and keep this target. Because that means we broke this SMT. We are disrespecting a 4 hour here. We're within this 4 hour gap right here. Well, we already used that. We're within the 4 hour here on ES. But if we're drawing towards a daily and breaking another, we have 4 hour SMT at the lows. If we see retracement into this 5 minute gap, you can see an entry for this high in this daily gap. We need valid push into these gaps, or valid momentum out of the gaps. I like how we're tracing the first minute or so of macro. That means our direction is most likely going to be opposite of our retracement. 2 minute here, 2 minute on ES, 5 minute is still residing at this line here. We still want to see valid push towards this 5 minute. We didn't yet even mitigate this 2 minute here on ES or the 5 minute. We have 1 to 2 minutes to see a retracement. If we miss out on this move and we don't retrace to this 5 minute, oh well. But I'm definitely waiting for a perfect setup here. We have this 5 minute pushing heavy out of the 2 minute that we just mitigated here. Which we did form an SMT here. Alright. May look into a buy position. We formed the SMT at the lows here that we could test to push higher. Alright, we're out of that 2 minute. So I'm gonna
Order filled.
enter in a buy position here. Hopefully you can see momentum out of this 5 minute here. Weak momentum. It's not looking too bright. Don't have the strongest push out this gap here. May want to respect this.
Order filled.
Yeah, we're just gonna cut that there. We got stopped. Rough day, honestly. 2 losses. We're done. 2 L's. We'll take it. Hey man, days like this happen. We had a beautiful play at the start. Got wicked out on that. So take our 2 L's, man. Take it to the dome. General it up, and we're gonna call it a day. Unfortunate. 2 great plays too. Like honestly, off of the 5 minute retracement. I think that was good. Could even want to inverse this gap, right? We typically want to see that momentum outside of this gap here, or coming out of this 5 minute. It's unfortunate because we can't even see the full 5 minute if we drop down to the 1 minute. So who knows? This could very well play out, but you know, we're gonna call it. Definitely gonna call it. We're done. No more trades today. The winning streak comes to an end. Alright, it's crazy because this might even like just, respect our draw. I mean, there's like almost no doubt like this could definitely respect us going higher, but I'm not willing to take it. So 2 L's taken with pride. Pros. Pros, honestly, like we had great discretion from the start. Like our higher time frame discretion. Like from the start. Honestly, like we would have smacked, bro. We would have smacked that first play, bro. That auto liquidation literally just put us at a cap, which I'm just gonna take off because that's honestly like dumb. That it took 2 points to take us out the trade. So great high time for discretion. Understood. Where, what to say? Understood where we wanted to go based on model playing out. Bro, this really should have been a dub, bro. That sucks, bro. That actually sucks, that first trade. But can't do anything about it, guys. Sure where we wanted to go. Model playing out. And it did play out, but risk was too tight. So I can go into our cons. Honestly, like risk management today. Risk could then definitely risk management. People don't understand, like you could have, you know, risk management where you're not trying to lose a lot, but you can also have proper risk management where it's appropriate for your contract size to risk a little more. And that's what we should have done today, because that was a problem that we had once last week, which is why we got wicked out and literally went straight to take profit. So like you have to kind of understand the mediator, where it's like, are we risking too much or are we risking just enough because of our contract size? So today we could have definitely risked like a tiny bit more, bro. So especially entering in with that 2 contracts, or even entering 1 contract, waiting, and then entering another contract. But it's all good. Risk management today, and then we got 10 a.m. news. Not doing anything. Honestly, like we had, like this was a great play too. I wouldn't be surprised if we respect the inversion of the 5-minute and draw towards this daily gap in the high that we had here. So maybe if it was a high within the gap, that would be more. But it is. It's literally, it's a high within the gap. So it's all good. Happens. Let's take a screenshot of the plays. Could definitely respect this play here. Honestly, just want to see it play out too. Like, I'm almost like for sure like we're going to disrespect this SMT here. I think it's like a weak SMT, and maybe like a lot of chop, but like no doubt we're gonna want to target that daily gap. All right. All right, we got a journal here, pros, cons, all that. 1% better each day, baby. All right, boys. Y'all stay safe. Have a great day. All right. God bless you all.